What's up, San Diego? We just sold another unit. Initial diagnostic. Coil was leaking refrigerant. Had a real odd smell that was pushing through the supply vents. Owner opted to replace the condenser and coil. So now we're gonna get it started. Rooftop unit. It's way up there. What we're gonna go ahead and do is replace this coil with the outside condenser. Keep the old furnace. Now that's how a coil is supposed to look. That's your new coil. So give us a call, San Diego. We'll show up at your doorstep with heavy service at Friars Heating and Air.